In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly create a meeting and use the polls module with it. So from your dashboard, click on create new meeting, and then we're going to call it polls demo 123. So you'll see this number of modules enabled by default. You can enable and disable any of them as you like. So I'm just going to be using the polls module today. So now I only have the polls and surveys enabled. I click on done, and then now I can create a new poll. With create new poll, I have the option to create a poll of the different types. So single answer, multiple answer, preference order, yes and no, free text, numerical rating, grid, and NPS. So I'm going to create a single answer poll, and I'm going to say and then I'm going to add the choices here. Now I have the option to make it an in-meeting or an entry survey. We're going to leave it as in-meeting, and then the settings here, hide results. This will hide the results from the broadcast view. You can make it into a quiz, and then you can enable this to lock the answer, so attendees won't be able to change their answer afterwards. You can allow a free text answer for this poll. You can make it conditional, and then you can display the options horizontally. So for now, we're just going to leave it as it is, and then I'm going to save this poll. So you'll see this is the first poll that we created. I'm going to create another poll, and I will use a free text. So I'm going to save this poll as well. And then the third example, I'm going to use a grid, like a multi-rating option. So this will say again, I can change the rating range, so from 0 to 10 I'll make it 0 to 5, and then I'm going to save this poll. So now I have created these polls and I've saved them, but they're not started. I haven't started the meeting yet, so I need to click on start meeting. After I start the meeting, I have the option to start and stop polls anytime. So I'm going to start these polls, and then we're going to look at how these polls will look on the attendee view. And then it will show me the questions one by one. So I can select on the first answer, click on next, and then I can write my answer with the following here. So now that I've clicked submit answer, in the presenter view, I should be able to see the responses in real time. So if you can see the answers here.